in 2026, the world has shifted. The divide is no longer between the rich and the poor. It is between those who trade their time for a paycheck and those who own the algorithms that never sleep. Look around you. The old world is clinging to a 9-to-5 reality that died years ago. Trading hours for dollars is no longer a career. It is a slow-motion catastrophe. Your time is a finite resource. It is the only thing you can never buy back. So why are you still selling it to the highest bidder? The system we were raised in was designed to keep you stationary, but in a world defined by crisis, stability is nothing more than a cage. True wealth today is autonomous. It is silent. It is invisible. We are not looking for jobs. We are designing digital empires. Imagine one mind, amplified by 100 specialized AI agents. They don't require management. They don't ask for permission. They execute your vision 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Your laptop is no longer a tool for consumption. It is a sovereign headquarters, a personal money printer that operates outside the borders of traditional finance. While the masses wait for instructions, we are writing the code for our own freedom. This is not about working hard. It is about orchestrating the machines to work harder than any human ever could. Money, in its purest form, is simply stored energy. It is the ability to hit the gas and leave the chaos behind without looking in the rearview mirror. We build these systems under pressure, in the silence of the night, because we know the truth. True sovereignty means having the power to say no. No to the bureaucracy, no to the limits, no to the fear. We are choosing a path of uncompromising quality, a life defined by speed, safety, and the absolute freedom to move. The goal isn't just to survive the crisis. The goal is to own the future that follows it.